Hey guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to another video. And today we'll be testing different types of slime. And I have a bunch of slime in this bag. Five slimes. So let's start off with our first one. This. I've played with it a little, but yeah, no, it's just a video, I hope it's not too long. So, think you can see me? Yeah, you can. Okay. As you can see, I'm holding the camera with one of my hands. Okay, let's just zoom it now. Okay, so here we are with our first slime. All of these are not homemade because whatever I do, whenever I try to make slime, it never works. So yeah. Sticky. You guys can tell me which slime you like the most in the comments. Like, this is the first one, I think. This is the first one, then let's see what's the second. Okay, we're done with number one. Now on to number two. You can say on the comments like this. Oh, I like number one or two or three. That stuff. But there's 5 slimes, so don't worry. Okay, this is the cover. Pretty smart, eh? As you can see, I played with this because there's one bead only. And this is very melt. It melts very quick. Let's do that again, shall we? Oh, by the way, Merry Christmas, even though Christmas is over. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I like playing with slime. like this pet peeves. Okay, we're done with this one. I don't want this video to be so long, so I'm just doing this, you know. Just put that pink in there. Now we have the third one. You know what? Let's save this for the fourth one. This is the third one. Ugh. None of these on my slime smell so nice, and if I give perfume, they smell worse. This is not homemade. None of this is, because you know why? I think. Do you know why? Because I am not good at making slime, and if I do, I fail every time. Okay, this is like mushy, and this is like a stretch ball. It's hard. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's my favorite color, but I don't like it. As you can see, it does not stretch. It's only for ripping. Gat19.com. Go check them out. Not sponsored. Okay. Off you go, my friend. Now, this is the fourth one. Yes. This smells okay, I guess. Oh, did you hear that? Okay, it's also hard because it's not working. Look at that, I'm Sailor Moon. No, I'm not. That's me when I am nothing like. Bye-bye, friends. Okay, done. Not so good. I like the first and the second. And maybe this one might be the worst because I decorated it. So this is the slime. Pretty bad, huh? Very bad. It smells. It's like poo. It looks like poo. And stupid. I might throw it away. Yep, I'm gonna throw it away. Gonna throw it away today or tomorrow. Now let's play with mouthful slams. Mouthful, but I like it. We're gonna play with only one of these slimes. Which one should I play with? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. Oh man. Yeah, this one. Let's be like pet peeves, shall we? The weird one finger poke. Killing the slime. Okay, now the aggressive. Oh my lord. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Hey, little bee, you have some friends. Now you can see me. Hey, haha. By the way, this is slime. Oh my god. How cool is that? And I love to squish it and push it. Let me just take a little bit of slime and say goodbye. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, I turned the camera. Haha, that's what happens. Let's do that again, shall we? Meanwhile, let me keep this here. Oh, I'm melting. I'm melting. Woo-hoo. I'm melting. Woo-hoo. Okay, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you leave a like and subscribe and comment which slime was your favorite. I personally like this. Oh. And yeah. Bye. 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 Boom.